Passion is a driving force that has the ability to transform lives and lead individuals towards their true purpose. For many, this passion comes in the form of music, and specifically, playing the acoustic guitar. In this article, we will explore how acoustic guitar virtuosos have harnessed their passion for music to overcome obstacles, find fulfillment, and create a lasting impact on both themselves and others. The emotional objective: finding fulfillment. Many individuals struggle with finding true fulfillment in their lives. They may feel stuck in unfulfilling jobs or lacking direction. This is where music becomes a powerful tool for transformation. Playing the acoustic guitar allows people to tap into their emotions and express themselves creatively like no other medium can. Unique rationale: a journey towards self-discovery. By learning to play the acoustic guitar, individuals embark on a journey of self-discovery. Through this process, they gain insights into their own strengths and weaknesses while developing discipline and perseverance along the way. What? The transformative power of music. Music has an unparalleled ability to evoke emotions within us all: joy, sadness, excitement. It can touch our souls in ways nothing else can. When someone learns to play the acoustic guitar proficiently, they unlock an entire realm of expression that can be used as a means of personal growth. Why? Overcoming obstacles through music. Life often presents us with challenges that seem insurmountable at times. However, through playing the acoustic guitar passionately, these obstacles become opportunities for growth rather than roadblocks hindering progress. How? Discipline and perseverance leads to mastery. Becoming an accomplished guitarist requires dedication and consistent practice over time. It is not achieved overnight or without effort. By committing oneself wholeheartedly to the instrument, individuals develop discipline and perseverance, qualities that extend beyond the realm of music and into all aspects of life. When? The right time to pursue passion. There is never a wrong time to pursue one's passion for music. Whether someone is young or old, experienced or a beginner, the journey towards becoming an acoustic guitar virtuoso can begin at any moment. All it takes is the desire and commitment to embark on this transformative path. Numbers, concrete takeaways. Improved mental well-being. Playing the acoustic guitar has been proven to reduce stress levels and enhance overall mental well-being. Increased confidence. Mastering an instrument instills a sense of accomplishment and boosts self-confidence. Enhanced creativity. Music stimulates creativity by encouraging individuals to think outside the box and explore new possibilities. Stronger relationships. Sharing one's musical talent with others creates connections and fosters deeper relationships. Conclusion. The power of passion cannot be underestimated when it comes to transforming lives through music. Acoustic guitar virtuosos have shown us that pursuing our passions wholeheartedly can lead us down paths we never thought possible. By harnessing their love for music, they have overcome obstacles, found fulfillment in their lives, developed discipline and perseverance, improved mental well-being, increased confidence levels, enhanced creativity skills, and built stronger relationships along the way. So, if you find yourself searching for purpose or lacking fulfillment in your own life, consider picking up an acoustic guitar. Allow its melodic strings to guide you on a journey of self-discovery while unlocking your true potential as both a musician and individual. Embrace your passion for music just as these virtuosos have done before you. Let it transform your life in ways you never thought possible.